Oh yeah, well this is creating the note. This is to create.
You need to create a wave.
Yeah, you have to create the wave by on and off. But
and you gotta play that wave.
I
guess, I don't know.
So if you go to help and reference and look for looping, this is already looped, but you can put a loop. Oh, you're already messing with that.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
that sounds right.
Hold on,
So this is
get
in
it up.
microseconds. So it's 1,100 microseconds. This function right there is going in milliseconds. That's a much lower.
Okay.
It's subsonic. Yeah, you can't hear it.
What is
The command is go to help, and then reference, and then play that note.
Yeah, exactly.
That's fancy. That's with a raise. Yeah. But do a straight for loop and just see what that's like.
So, what does money sound like to you, John?
Delay microseconds.
Really caught me by surprise here. It's gonna have to be an outtake. It sounds like I'm gonna get paid. That one. Sounds like I'm gonna get paid. I mean, it's all about the Benjamins, baby.
If it was a frequency, what would it be?
69 hertz.
Cha-ching.
Cha-ching. If it was a frequency.
40 hertz.
40 hertz. What? Oh yeah.
Transfer that into frequency. You can do
What's
that.
the wavelength of my diamond ring?
First turn it up. That's what money sounds
That sounds like money to me.
That's the sound of money.
No, you did. Did you do that?
Bring it up.